Previously, before Rudy James' debut, it's Jack Bruce's second birthday. Rudy James is falling from the background safely until the bottom, seeing him eating a cake. Then walking, but later it's revealed as a dream only. Hey Rudy, are you excited to see Bruce?
Kuya Bruce.
Rudy, vet first before Kuya Bruce. Eto na Rudy James. Here comes the veterinary clinic. You will be okay, Uds. The doctors are gonna clean you.
Kahit or whatever na kailangan gawin, before ko sana siya maihalo.
Sige
Oh,
Kasi hindi pa nakakauwi kasi hindi
yun, mag-effect. Pero pwede natin ibigay yung other half po after 3 weeks po. No?
kay Baigara Pata for Rudy James.
Usually wala naman po.
Meds.
Tolerable na, wala
for
po naman
Rudy.
yung margin of safety natin sa next guard. Pero yun nga po, baka sinusunod lang talaga natin yung recommendation.
Recommendation.
So, okay. Open your mouth na. Kasi, salamat. Super.
Pamburga.
There you go, Rudy James.
Kung meron man siyang worm, sir, usually lumalabas yun within 1 to 3 days po. Ano. So, yung the next 3 days na po, obserbahan natin yung stool po.
1 to 3 days.
Okay.
So, Rudy, you got this Kuya Bruce na. You're done with your checkup and medicine. Okay, Rudy, you're gonna see Kuya Bruce na. Okay, Rudy, you're now in your new home. Finally, Rudy, this is your new cage. Daddy's gonna put some water later.
This one's too big. Not yet. It's too big. It's covering the entire
It looks like a
face.
Hannibal.
It looks like a Hannibal.
New cage. New water from Kuya Bruce before. Bruce, in the video call with Rudy.
Bruce! Look, who's that? Bruce! Bruce!
Well, Rudy James, here's your first step. First nail cutting for Rudy. Wow. First toy for Rudy. Chonyawara. Preparing the first food for the Rudy James. Okay, here's your first meal for the Rudy James.
Okay. Sige na. Put it there. Sa dulo dun. Dun sa dulo dun. Dun. Yan.
Here you go, Mr.
Okay.
Rudy James. Hope you enjoy this.
Oh, he's gonna eat. Oh, he's eating.
Very good. Well, that's it for the Rudy James journey. And also, there's one more scene to go. Bawal lumabas, Rud. And this is Bruce. Say hi, Rudy. And the scene is over. Thanks for watching.